Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Saturday, November 23rd, 2024, and this is an update on the Chris Craft. So I finished dry fitting most of the hardware on the inside of the boat. So here's the steering column. The steering wheel is off of a 1959 DeSoto Fireflight. The gearbox in there is a Gemmer. I'm sure that's an automotive product as well. So as you turn the steering wheel, the shaft that comes out of the gearbox rotates one way or the other. There's an arm attached to it that moves forward and backwards. And it's hooked up to this linkage, this blue pipe that runs all the way to the rudder. So that's how the boat is steered. In the front, there's a lifting bracket. So you have a lifting eye on the bow deck. And on the back, there's another lifting bracket. So you have an eye back here. There's the propeller shaft log. And I won't permanently attach this until I'm putting the engine in the boat. There's the backer plate for the shaft strut. And here's the cradle for the fuel tank. So the cradle rests on these two pieces of wood, and these straps hold it in place. And then in the previous video, I showed the rudder assembly. Here's the mount for the shifting lever, and it's a simple transmission, just forward, neutral, and reverse. So from here, there's a similar sized pipe that runs to the transmission, which will be right in here someplace. And like the rudder, it'll have a lever attached to it so you can shift the transmission. Okay. That's it for now. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.